I'm here today with the Super Decoder by Giiker, and this is a really cool toy. So let's unbox this and see what we get. I have a little tab here. So let me cut that open. Yeah, and it's just a really small little piece of equipment here. So really cool. And then you have the booklet with how to use this. We have that in different languages as well. Because I'm over here in Europe, perhaps you only get the English version, but I get the German as well, and let's see, a French. So quite cool. Here's the thing. Oh, and you can click this little part up here. You have a dial here. Let's see how to use this. I think we need to put in some batteries. Oh yeah, so we have different modes. Solo mode, so we can get hints. Turn on solo mode with these different colored things on the wheel, so that's pretty cool. Then here we have the different puzzles that we can select. It's really nice and easy to hold, especially for a bit younger children, I think, as well. It's really cool. Oh yeah, you can get some hints as well if you can't figure it out. So I think that's nice. I'm going to put in some batteries and then really test this one. But now you can see what is in the box and well, a little bit on what you get here. So I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.